everybody! Today, we have a very special recipe on this episode and napakadali. It's air-fried Binondo spring chicken. Kung walang air fryer, walang magandang air fryer katulad nitong aking bagong American Heritage, pwede naman yung gamitin sa turbo, pwede naman yung i-oven. Pero, madaling-madali ang timplada nito. Kaya, umpisahan natin. Kuha tayo ng isang magandang manok. Ayan. Ating magnolia. Kuha tayo isang magandang manok. And ang pinili kong manok is below 1 kilo. Okay? Yung tama lang pang 3 o 4 sa pamilya. Ayan. Okay? And we are going to do rubbing and stuffing of this. Napakadali ng stuffing. Gawin muna natin yung ating stuffing. Okay. Yung ating stuffing, ang gagawin natin, okay, kailangan ko ng bowl. Yung ating stuffing, we're going to need some soy sauce and some star anise. We're also going to need 5 spice powder. We're going to need chicken powder. And we are going to need white pepper. Of course, in Chinese cooking, lalo na ito, medyo Binondo style tong spring chicken natin na air fried. Kasi ang sa Chinese style at sa Pinoy style, hindi kailangan ng ma-flour coating, no? So, eto, ilalagay natin tong ating leeks. Lagay natin ang ating soy sauce. Then, we're going to put our star anise. Babali-baliin na natin yung ating star anise. Okay? Then, we are going to put our 5 spice powder, ngoyong. Okay? We are going to put our white pepper and our chicken powder. So, yan ang pampapalaman natin sa loob ng manok. Okay? Yan ang ating stuffing. Okay? And I am going to put also just a little salt. And ito ang palaman sa loob ng ating manok. Okay. Now, gawin natin yung ating rub. Okay? Our rub is cloves, 5 spice powder, okay, ngoyong, cloves, 5 spice powder, onion powder, okay, and we are going to put also nutmeg. Okay, yan ang pampabango natin. Rarub natin ang ating chicken inside out. Magugulat kayo sa aroma nito. Lagyan na natin yung ating white pepper. Okay. So, ito ang ating ito na ang ating yung salt pala. So again ulitin natin lahat Ang rub natin sa chicken is cloves, onion powder, 5 spice powder, white pepper, soy sauce, tapos lalagyan natin ng soy sauce. Etong chicken naman, i-prepare na natin. Okay? We will take out the edges of the wing. Okay? Babaliin natin ng ganito. I-jujitsu natin. Okay? Para mag-tuck in sa loob. Yan. Yan, nakaganon siya. Okay? And, itong puwet, tatanggalin natin itong mass gland. Yan po ang palansa ng ating chicken. So, tatanggalin natin itong mass gland. yung matabang parte na yan ng manok. And our chicken will be ready in a while for roasting. We will get ito. Lalagay natin itong balat na to, bubutasin natin. And papasok natin yung ating paa. Same sa kabila. We will get this. Bubutasin natin ang paa, ang skin, and isisingit natin yung ating paa. Medyo nabutas ng gusto, pero pwede pa yan. Okay, papasok natin sa loob ang ating paa. Yan, tuck in na ang ating chicken para mukhang matabang-mataba siya. Ngayon, yung iba, tinatali pa o pinapasok pa to para talagang tuck in talaga. Anyway, so, we will rub the chicken with our powder. Our powder, again, is 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon cloves, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 5 spice powder, 1/2 teaspoon white pepper, 1/2 teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon white pepper, and soy sauce. So, lagyan na muna natin ng soy sauce, ng toyo. Lagyan natin ng salt. And we will massage our chicken. Maganda nga to kung ilalagay nyo to, itong manok na to. Maganda nga to kung ilalagay natin itong manok na to sa plastic bag o sa cling wrap, and we leave it in our refrigerator for maybe half a day para mabango. And now we can start rubbing our chicken. We will rub it with the spice rub. Ayan. So napakadali ito. Rubbing lang to. Walang mga hocus-pocus sa pagluluto. Okay? Puro straightforward lang na lalagyan natin ng timpla. Ito yung loob, yung cavity ng manok. Lalagyan ko rin yung loob. Okay? And now, it's time to put more flavor into our chicken by stuffing our chicken with the leek stuffing. Yung kaninang ginawa natin, yung leeks, 5 spice, star anise, chicken powder, white pepper, ito na po. Papasok natin dito yung loob ng manok. Bubusugin natin yung manok, and all that flavor is just going to circulate into the chicken when we put it in our air fryer. Okay? Ang air fryer natin, iset na po ninyo at 350 to 360 degrees, or dito in this case, sinet ko to at 170 to 180. Okay? And because this chicken is 0.9 of a kilo, I am going to air fry this for about 1 hour. Okay. Pag more than 1 kilo, yung mga malalaking chicken na ginawa ko na another episode, you need about 1 hour and 10 or 1 hour and 15 minutes. Okay, so we will prop up our chicken here. All these juices all this fat will just go down, juice up. And I have a chicken inside our air fryer. Okay, and let's open it. Ooh, wow, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Look at the color. Okay? Tama-tama, na-set to at about 1 hour. And, medyo mainit. Oh. Okay. So, ayan yung drippings. Ayan yung chicken drippings. And we will get this use it as our sauce, and we have our air-fried Binondo style na fried chicken. Ang bango niya. Labas na labas talaga yung leeks at lahat. So, here it is. Ito yung dinemo ko sa inyo. Papasok natin dito. And we're going to wait. But while we're waiting for this and we're waiting for it to cook, we don't have really much time on this episode. Okay? I will make the sauce already for our chicken. And yung sauce, oh, labas na labas ang flavor niyan. Okay, so I'll get a little water or stock. Okay, there's a little water or stock, and we're going to get the glacé of this chicken. Wonderful. All that flavor is gonna go into that sauce, and we're going to have a beautiful Binondo style na air-fried chicken. Okay, and I'm going to put in just a little double A powder to give body and para kumapit lang ng konti ang ating chicken, ang ating sauce. Okay, here's our double A powder. Okay, tawag ni Wok with yan, Wanda powder. Now that's beautiful. Let's taste it. Do we need a little more salt? Hindi na. Ang lasa na. Manok na manok. Ladies and gentlemen, ayan na po ang ating chicken in this episode. And here is our spring chicken. Beautifully nice, beautifully tender. Still juices coming out. Wow, look at that. Deliciously tender. And there's our chicken. Just take out yung tali, kung tatali nyo. Kanina hindi ko na tinali eh. Kasi maganda naman yung buo naman yung skin kanina, no? And here is our sauce. Pwede nang babaw sa kanin. Napakasarap, napakabango, labas na labas yung wood spices ng chicken natin. And here you go. Here is our Binondo style air-fried spring chicken. Ganda ng laruan ko, no? Actually, hindi naman laruan to. Necessity to. Okay? And this is our 38-liter capacity of the American Heritage with French doors. It has a 60-minute timer, independent temperature control, wonderful design. And lighted pa. So, mga kaibigan, again, this is quite a short episode. I would like to thank Magnolia for our chicken. Of course, Masflex for our kitchen gadgetry, our pan. Iwatani for our propane burner. Also Heritage, American Heritage for our air fryer oven. And we see one right now cooking. Thank you very much, everybody. It's been a wonderful week. I hope you enjoy your rest time, your leisure time. And don't forget, naglabas po ako ng Tropical Cocktails. This is my new book sa National Bookstore. I hope you get to pick up something when you do some of these cocktails at home. They're very easy. They're all easily available. Ang materials sa grocery. See you soon. Till next episode. I love you all. Bye-bye.